Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or clean them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Take out the power connector. To do this, lift the small plastic tab using flathead screwdriver and simultaneously pull on the terminal. To change the H7 dipped beam light bulbs, remove the cover on the body side. Remove the electrical connectors. To unscrew the bulb, you must simultaneously push inwards and pull to the left. This will free the hook from the holding spur. Pivot the hook downwards, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To change the H7 full beam bulb, remove the closing cap on the grille side. Remove the electrical connectors. Then remove the light bulb using Needlenose pliers.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in place, keeping in mind the guidance spur on the bulb. Finally, put pressure on the bulb to block it in place. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator light bulb, rotate it a quarter turn anti-clockwise by grasping the brown tab, then remove the assembly. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Reconnect the general power connectors. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.